So today's a big day for us because we're getting our frame properly welded up and made strong and safe so we won't crash and die. But yeah, it's going to look fantastic.
Making it important to be the first in line. So when the cookie crumbles, the best piece they will find. Oh, we're racing to a red light. It's right there before our eyes, somehow hidden in plain sight. We are racing to red lights. Don't get me wrong, I'm not trying to swear free. I'm just as bad as you, and sometimes worries you see. But all this crazy right, I'm looking for the breaks. Come join me in the search, I think that's what it takes. Oh, we're racing to a red light. It's right there before our eyes, somehow hidden in plain sight. And we're all racing to a red light.
We've actually worked out that the frame was made originally of Swiss cheese. I think that's probably
Not
about
quite
right.
that bad.
Yeah.
Not quite that bad, but
But yeah, Nick over here is a professional hairdresser, so he's going to help us with the welding. Also, there's a very important bit of kit that we've got that always helps out. As you can see, donuts.
To a red light.
While a bit more prep work is being done for the welding, we're just going to go through some couple of bits that we've, like cosmetic bits, Chris, that we've done. Actually, we've been doing a bit of painting.
it's looking better already.
This was all
It just-
rust, wasn't it? Red rust everywhere. So the frame's getting a bit of a paint here and there. Obviously, we can't do everything until the welding's done. But yeah, it's
getting
beginning to look a bit better.
Yep.
Oh, we're racing to a red light. And it's right there before our eyes, somehow hidden in plain sight. And we're all racing to a red light.
So that's it, the welding done. And now we've been able to do other things like actually paint the frame and make it look really, really pretty. Let's have a look. And we've been cleaning up and painting the wheels. We went for black, whereas they used to be silver. We can see over here, there's the one that's not been cleaned up as yet. Obviously we've still got a bit of work to do with the side panels, but we'll get there. So basically, after just a few more bits of work, we reckon she'll be ready to actually enter into an event.